see 6 reds over here. So I put up to 6. Then I put 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's 6 here. And I put 6 reds. And I'm going to color half. Okay, I colored half it, and then yellow. I'm going to count how much yellow that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let's see again. 1, 2, yeah, 6. We have 6. Same amount as the reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on this part it's 6. So we need to make the lines more bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to get yellow.